don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Kenang QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Orbit College 0. I'm joined by Ferma Pradeka Mabanu Pumava.
Talkolo Tiami, Ipagania El Kudu, lady, understand? I'm a football lover. The Kuluma about a football love. The reason why I'm here, Steve, is because of I love football. And the only team that I'm going to watch in South African football is Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Because they play a good football. Understand?
Wonderful.
So there's something that I want to say today. South African fans who will complain and say why Bafana doesn't have a lot of players of Kaizer Chiefs or Sundowns. Understand? There are few of Sundowns now. Sundowns is playing most players that foreign players. Understand? Ubonile mangena uTemazana. Sundowns started to play a good football because of Uyadlala nan. But now the coach is overfielding foreign players. Understand? So if Sundowns can continue bringing more players, local players, our Bafana. I mean, I'm talking about the squad to say it. Understand? Because Pirates and Sundowns are the team that is going to take us far. Understand? If our coach of Sundowns can start playing more South African players in Sundowns, Shiga is back. I'm happy. He's going to come back to the Bafana. And with the result that Sundowns gave us today, as a Pirates fan, I'm happy with the football that they are playing and the result, because the competition keeps on coming and more and more and more. Understand? So I say pick up to Amasanta ones. Ngimele nami 18 zaka February ngifuna ukunitshela induku